welcome back to another video. As you can see in the description down below, I'm going to call some people and prank them. Yeah. So I'm going to call them and tell them say them win some amount of credit from Digicel as a random call and so forth. Don't mind me here, I just come out of the bathroom. I want to learn at the bathroom and watch me here. I think about it and I say, you know what? I come do the prank. I come pull it out and pull out the prank here. So I just stay tuned and just see what I go on. Alright, so remember to like, comment, subscribe and share the video, alright? Hi, good afternoon. You're live on the air. This is DJ Sweets from Irie FM calling to tell you that you have been one of the lucky selected to win $1,000 Digicel credit. Irie FM. You know, sound excited to win a little $1,000 credit here. What? Me want to give me it? Okay. So you have anybody you want to big up on here?
Big up the business, courier, shipping company, we're located in Port everything.
Alright, so when you hear that, when you big up straight yard, anything you want to give them a number, shot them a number.
We're at shop number 1236 East straight away, and this is our number 3526979.
Alright, so please hold the line and I'll just make them shut up the credit for you, alright? Alright. What going brother? I can't, it's a prank. Yeah, but me put it in my video, so I'm gonna make it talk out everything them so everybody can hear and see it. You see it. So guys, if you're not shipping anything, remember, if you ship with straight yard, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description, alright? Yeah. Alright. Hello? Hi, good afternoon. You're live on the air. You're talking to DJ Sweets from Irie FM. You have been one of the lucky selected winners to win $1,000. Sorry, Digicel credit. So how your day going so far? My name is DJ Sweets from Irie FM.
DJ what?
Sweets.
Sweet?
Yeah, from Irie FM.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so you have been one of the lucky selected to win $1,000 Digicel credit. You have anybody you want big up on the air?
I don't know if this is a prank.
Why you say it's a prank? Why you assume that?
You know they sound like Auntie Kay.
Miss Franklin! We said so like Auntie Kay. Miss Franklin! She catch me, guys. No. Well, go ahead. This Franklin so well-handed. You know this sound like Auntie Kay. Yes, so catch me. Alright, she catch me.
No, catch you.
Alright, Miss Franklin, it's alright. I'm gonna catch you and hold yourself. So yes guys, I hope you liked the video. Alright, so remember to like, comment, subscribe and share up the video for me do. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please. And remember to share the video.